Digital making is a way for young people to learn about how technology works by making things with it. With more and more technology becoming a part of everyday life, digital making is an important life skill for young people. By learning how to create, control, and build things with technology, you can learn skills to help yourself, your community, and the world. Today, computers can be found in millions of everyday objects. They are inside most things that are electronic, have buttons, touchscreens or voice control, have displays, lights and speakers, make things move, carry out instructions or tasks. How many computers can you see? Did you guess correctly? Now you can take your computer knowledge to the outside world with our activity, Computers in the Real World. To complete this activity, you'll need a pen and a printout of the Scavenger Hunt. Head outside and try to spot as many computers as possible. Did you spot any that weren't on your list? Use them to create your own Scavenger Hunt for a friend. This activity is a first step in achieving your Digital Maker Staged Activity badge. Can you complete all 5 stages? Check out rpf.io/scouts to find more activities for achieving your badge.